I look ghostly. Little ghost. Girl, get your shit together. Alright guys, this is the look that I did for my birthday. I actually recreated a look that I saw on YouTube. I forgot the name of the YouTuber, but I will post her tutorial in the description box below. I don't look as bad as the camera is making me look. Not as bad. Girl, you don't look bad at all. You look good, girl. Shit. I've already done my eyebrows. And I'm going to apply a base to my eyes. These are NYX eyeshadow sticks. I just depotted them and put them in this little container. And I'm going to take the white one, which is Milk. For this look, I'm only going to be using the Morphe 35o palette. I'm going to go in with this color right here, and I'm going to put that all in my crease. .226 brush. And it's just like a pointed crease brush. Go in with this color right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease also. Go in with a dense crease brush, I guess, if it'll focus. Focus on the brush, not me. This dark color right here. Also gonna put that in my crease to darken it a little bit. I ain't no professional, I don't know. I'm just trying to explain this when I can, okay? Okay, I'm going to go back in with the 226 brush, and I'm going to use that orange shade again and reapply it to my crease. Now for the fun part. Take like a flat shader brush. There we go. Yes, girl. Take this rose gold copperish color, and I'm going to put that on the lid. While I'm using this color, I'm going to take some Fix Plus. I got the little baby one. Okay. And I'm going to apply that on the lid. And I'm also going to take that orange color and reapply it again to get rid of that little harsh line you may see. Now I'm going to go with a lighter shade to go under my brow bone. And I'm going to use this shade right here. This shade right here, and I'm going to put that in my inner tear duct, and I'm also going to put that under my brow bone. This MAC 212 brush, Now I'm not going to apply any eyeliner, so I'm going to take a dark brown. I'm going to use that dark brown right there, and I'm going to apply that to my lash line as if I was putting on eyeliner. And what I'm also going to do is drag it out as if I was creating a wing, but I'm going to make the eyeshadow blend in with the liner. Benefits Pore Professional. And first I'm going to apply LA Pro Girls Medium Beige under my eye. ColourPop's No Filter Concealer in the color 1050. ColourPop's No Filter Concealer in Golden 40. Now shawty look ashy, boy, where you going? Well, LA Pro Girl Concealer in Chestnut. Take MAC's blush in Copper Tone. And we're going to put my MAC Prep and Prime Lash on. Fenty Beauty's Killawatt highlighter, and this is Hustler Baby. Hustler Baby, that one right there. Hustling that hushy. I am going to reapply those colors that I used on my lid, and I'm going to put it at the bottom. This as a birthday gift from Ulta, and I really like it, so I'm probably going to get the bigger one. But it's the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. My mascara is applied. NYX Lip Liner Pencil in Cappuccino. I'm going to line my lips. And this is dry. They're real dry. I don't know how to pronounce it. Buxom. In Russian white. It looks like this. And I'm just going to apply that on top. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. But if you would like to see more, you can definitely comment below. I really appreciate it. And thank you for tuning into my channel. That was it.